This is city of Bombay area, Malad. I am giving you this information from 17th floor. You can see in Orbit Mall, and just I wanted to tell you how contractor policy is involved into civil construction. So this is all civil construction you can see. So if civil construction is to be done for a building, high rise building or tunneling or road or bridge or anything where the civil construction is involved, more than 25%, we can give policy contractor all risk. Contractor all risk gives you coverage against fire, against lightning, earthquake, storm of any kind, burglary, theft, everything. Except few exclusions, the policy is working on all risk basis. Contractor all risk policy is given for the full contract value. Supposing a building is to be constructed for 100 crore, then 100 crore will be the sum insured, and it can be given for the full period of contract. Nowadays, people, contractors like road and other bridges, etc., they are taking maintenance cover also. So extended maintenance cover can also be given along with contractor all risk policy. This policy starts with the material reaching on site, and with the unloading of material on the site, the policy gets started, and all the material lying on the site covered under storage period, then for erection purpose, finally till the testing is done. Testing is of two types: cold testing and hot testing. When the project gets completed after testing, it is handed over to the principals, and policy gets expired. So this is wonderful policy. Similarly, contractor all risk, you can have marine cum erection all risk policy, where mechanical work or erection work is more and civil work is less. Both the policies are same, all risk policy. And one more combination, if you want to add marine portion also, you can have a marine cum erection policy. Marine cum erection policy is a continuous policy which gives you coverage right from the supplier end. So material, when it is ordered, when it is dispatched from the supplier end, the cover starts. Then material will be unloaded on the site. It will be covered during storage period, further during erection period, and also will be covered while it is being tested. So normal testing period is 1 month. You can increase the testing period, and if you see that the sum insured is insufficient, you can increase the sum insured in between also, and you can increase the period of insurance if project is being delayed. So contractor all risk, which is commonly known as CAR, and erection all risks, which is commonly known as EAR, and MCE, marine cum erection policy. These are all project policies given for projects, whether it is civil or whether it is machinery erection plant. Nowadays, like hydroelectrical power projects, where civil and engineering, lot of work is involved. So here combination of these two policies, EAR and CAR, is given, which is known as contract works policy. So these are wonderful policies meant for contractors. So whenever you get award for any contract work, you should go and take this policy. It gives you complete coverage, including bad workmanship. If there is any loss due to bad workmanship, it is covered. Of course, faulty material, faulty design will not be covered. But supposing a wall is made or construction is made by your worker and in a defective manner, and building is collapsed, the risk is covered. So take advantage of these policies, CAR, EAR and MCE, and enjoy the benefits. All contractors should take advantage of this policy. This is the video which is being circulated on behalf of Indore Insurance Institute, which is a pioneer institute in India and abroad, and is continuously giving you information on various products of insurance. This is Mohan Vatnani giving you information from Mumbai Malad area. Thank you very much.